Let me introduce, okay? New Sunshine Lighting was set out in 2004. So at that time, we have 18 years experiment. And Dongguan was set out in 2008 because this is the name of our factory. And New Sunshine and Jiaopeng is two brands. So they are get together. So every time, if you can call New Sunshine and New Sunshine team, everything. So in our website, also we get the NSSLED.com. So I mean New Sunshine Lighting. Yeah. So you can search from Google and anywhere to New Sunshine. And Jiaopeng, if you're from the factory, you can see the Jiaopeng's the places in Dongguan. It's about 40 kilometers away from border of Hong Kong to my location. So it's very close to Shenzhen and Hong Kong. It's very close. So everyone's wondering why we call New Sunshine, right? Yeah, it's a very interesting story. So at the beginning, the New Sunshine, because we show that our smiling and the face with New Sunshine, and also our company just like the army. So with the army, mean the courage and visible, and also we made the programs like the school, and we are trained, and made the step by step. We grew up together. So and also the New Sunshine is like a family, and all the people is very love together and it help each other. So we warm like a harmony home. So that's New Sunshine. The second, also we made the LED lighting. The lighting just like the sunlight, dispatch you anywhere. So sunlight make you warm. Made our products. Okay. And my factory is here, Dongguan Jiaopeng. We have 100 employees. We from the R&D team, we have about 10 people. So all the every month we have the new products. You can see our website. We have every very unique products. You know, the most of the products we are the first company to develop. So you need to consult us. And today, my teams will introduce about the fishing line. The fishing line is very, because it's near the summer, the springtime, summertime, and from May to October, it's very peak season. So for the fishing, all over the world. So our product is very unique. We have about from 30 to 6,000 different wattage, and today, if the live stream, we have very special prices for you. If you made the order online, so my teams will take care of you. And also, we have a warehouse in